Meaningful milestones of your loved ones can be made memorable with the perfect gift. Be it an anniversary, wedding, or holiday. If you want to give something unique, try gifting your loved ones a stunning handmade painting or a rare limited edition canvas print. When you plan to give art as a gift, always choose according to your reception's taste rather than yours. Do they have a traditional home full of character or a modern home that relies on functionality above all? If you don't know what their home looks like, look for clues in their personality. Do they dress in vibrant colors or prefer muted tones? Try subtly asking them or their family or friends maybe. All this information will help you choose wall art that they most likely enjoy and appreciate. When it comes to gifts, it's the thought that counts. So even if you didn't nail it by finding the perfect wall art, a lovely painting is a great option for any occasion.